What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Tuesday, March 21st, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and is always staying blessed. All right, you guys, taking a look at the surface map this morning, you can see that high pressure is starting to slide off the East Coast here. It's currently located along the East Coast, but we'll be starting to move off the East Coast here, off of North Carolina, Virginia. So that means the warm up will start to happen again here across the eastern United States starting today. As you can see, it's fairly cold here across the northeast here, 30, 20s and 30s here in New York, Pennsylvania. We come further down the east coast here in two parts of the Carolinas, Georgia. You can see we still have some freezing temperatures here. So it's still cold this morning, but I promise you, once the sun starts to come up and the day moves along, we will start to warm up here quite nicely across the eastern United States. And as you can see here across southeast Louisiana, the New Orleans area, we're currently 45 degrees, dew point 37 here, you guys, and the winds are just about dead calm. So that means we are just about right under the center of this high pressure here with our winds variable at the moment the calm, but we'll be starting to switch out of the southeast here as we progress throughout the day. And as you can see, we do have our 50s here starting to come back across Texas, which with the southerly inflow from the Gulf. So that goes to show you what the weather is going to be like for Louisiana come the next few days. We do have a few showers here across Oklahoma and Arkansas, even extending into Missouri and parts of Kansas here. So we have to watch out for some showers there. And we also have another system coming in across California here, producing some very heavy rains and probably some snow in the mountainous area. So be on the lookout if you stay in that part of the region for today. But overall, not too much going on here across the United States as I put the map into motion. As you can see, the rain coming across Oklahoma. That's just a little disturbance. As you can see, that's going to be riding past them today. And as you can see, the weather still coming into California. All that heavy atmospheric moisture that's just funneling in here is causing nothing but headaches for those people with all that flooding going on. But now, as we segue, you guys, I'm going to pause this, and as we segue to the severe weather that's going to be coming about for later on this week, take these fronts off, you guys. All right, give me 1 second, you guys. All right, starting with tomorrow, convective outlook day 2, which will be Wednesday. As you can see, we do have a marginal risk of severe weather here across parts of Missouri extending into Illinois here and even parts of southern Iowa. This will be a marginal risk, low threat, but still a threat here for some very large hail could be possible within this area here for Wednesday. Now, as we head to Thursday, you guys, convective outlook day 3, you can see we do have a slight risk of severe weather here across parts of Texas and extreme southern Oklahoma here. And as you can see, that slight risk does include the Dallas Fort Worth area. Well, just about to the west of Dallas Fort Worth, but as I said, they are really right on the edge of it, so we can put them in a slight risk. Going all the way extending into Abilene, Texas, all the way down to the Mexican border here across the hill country, we could see some showers and thunderstorms here that could be capable of producing some very large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes in this region here. And as we take a look at the GFS, you guys, pull up my favorite mid-level map. All right, you guys, get the contours going. Let's see, get the low-level winds here. And as you can see, you guys, starting 7 a.m. in the morning here on Thursday, you can see there's going to be a nice low level jet. Nothing really too strong here, but it's going to still be a nice low level jet as we're going to have two disturbances come within the southwest upper flow. So it's going to be Thursday and Friday. That's going to be severe weather days. But right now we're going to focus on Thursday here. And as you can see, We do have a low-level jet, so yes, there's going to be a chance for some severe weather here across parts of west central Texas here, extending into parts of Oklahoma. And as we move this on further into the day, you can see as that first disturbance moves on out, and this low-level jet here, as you can see, continues to push to the east here, still going to be quite a bit of energy here across west central Texas, where we could get some severe weather for Thursday afternoon into Friday morning. But as you can see, the strongest of the low level jet is going to be well to our north here across the Ohio Valley. But we already know that the dynamics for the ingredients for the real main severe weather is going to be further to the south here, but we will see some thunderstorms possibly here across the Ohio Valley. But as we extend back into Texas here, you guys, and as we move this further along into about 7 p.m., you can see we still have the strong low-level jet. We still have a low-level jet from the south to north here, Houston, into the Dallas area. So this is why the Dallas area will have a threat for severe weather Thursday afternoon and into Thursday evening, possibly. But as you can see here, there will be a threat for thunderstorms for the remainder of Texas here and even extending into parts of western Louisiana. So we will be on the lookout here, you guys. We will have the ingredients for some severe weather here across west central Texas. Let's clear this off, you guys. We don't have no probabilities yet because it's still early out. But as I said, all severe weather hazards will be on the table here. So if you do stay in this area for Thursday, be on the lookout. And as we move into Friday, you guys, convective outlook day 4, as you can see, this does shift east towards our area here across the mid Mississippi Valley into the lower Mississippi Valley. So all hazards will be possible. Again, here is still kind of the details are still shaky because it's still so far out. The models still have to get it together. So we will constantly come back and take a look at this and update this. But I just wanted to show you guys that this threat does shift towards the lower Mississippi Valley for Friday, and all weather modes from large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes will be possible within this risk area here for Friday. So that's going to be it for this one, you guys. Be safe, be careful. Stay tuned. Come back to your weather on the fly for the latest updates as the Storm Prediction Center releases them. And as I say to everyone, you guys be safe, be careful, and I will talk to you all in the next one.